friends, in this video we will see the miscellaneous exercise for the Trigonometry-I, and in this part we will see first of all the multiple choice question and the question number 2. In that question number 2 we will see up to the question 1 to 9. Now let us start the miscellaneous exercise for the trigonometry first part. Now we'll start the miscellaneous exercise 2. First, select the correct option from the given alternative. First, the value of the expression cos of 1 degree, cos of 2 degree, cos of 3 degree and cos of 179 degree is equals to A minus 1, B 0, C 1 upon root 2 and D that is equals to 1. Now if we see this, the angles are like this 1, 2, 3, 4 up 90, 91 up to the 179, but the cos 90 is 0 and that's why overall answer is 0. Therefore the option B is the correct one. Tan A upon 1 plus AK plus 1 plus AK upon tan A is equal to first 2 cosec A, B 2 sec A, 3 2 sin A, D 2 cos A. Therefore tan A upon 1 plus sec A plus 1 plus sec A upon 1 plus tan A. Now we will evaluate this, that is the tan square A plus 1 plus sec A bracket square upon tan A into 1 plus sec A. Now this is a tan square A means what? Sec square A minus 1 and 1 plus sec square A bracket square. Therefore you will get sec A minus 1 into sec A plus 1 plus 1 plus sec A bracket square upon tan A into in bracket 1 plus sec A. Now take sec A plus 1 common, then you will get sec A minus 1 plus 1 plus sec A, the whole divided by tan of A into sec A plus 1. Now sec A plus 1 get cancelled and plus 1 minus 1 also will get cancelled. You will get 2 sec A upon tan A. Now evaluate this. Sec means what? 1 upon cos and tan is cot. Now what is meant by the cot? Cos A upon sin A. Therefore cos get cancelled. You will get 2 sin A. Therefore it is a 2 cosec A. The option A is the correct one, that is a 2 cosec A. Next is, if alpha is a root of, it must be the theta. If theta is a root of 25 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta minus 12 equals to 0 and theta lies between pi by 2 to pi, then find the value of sine of 2 times theta, which is equals to you may take alpha or theta. because whatever the question I had written the same question from the textbook. Find the value of sine of 2 alpha. Now see this here, that is the 25 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta minus 12 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in cos theta. Therefore the multiplication of the 25 and the 12 is 300. Then the two numbers, that is the 20 cos theta minus 15 cos theta minus 12 equals to 0. We'll take the 5 cos theta common, then in bracket 5 cos theta plus 4 minus 3 in bracket 5 cos theta plus 12 plus 4 equals to 0. Therefore 5 cos theta plus 4, 5 cos theta minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore 5 cos theta plus 4 equals to 0 and 5 cos theta minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore 5 cos theta equal to minus 4 and 5 cos theta equals to 3. Therefore cos theta is equals to minus 4 by 5 or cos theta is equals to 3 by 5. But theta is in second quadrant. Therefore cos theta is equals to minus 4 by 5. By using this, we will find out the sine theta. Sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 minus 4 by 5 bracket square, that is 1 minus 16 upon 25, that is the 9 sine square theta is 9 upon 25, and that's why sine theta is equals to 3 by 5 plus or minus 3 by 5. Therefore sine theta is a 3 by 5. Because theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sine theta is positive, and that's why sine of 2 times theta means what? 2 sine theta into cos theta. Substitute the values, that is a 2, 3 by 5 into the value of cos theta, which is minus 4 by 5, and overall you will get answer minus 24 upon 25. Therefore the option A is the correct one, minus 24 upon 25. Next is, if theta is equals to 60 degree, then 1 plus tan square theta upon 2 tan theta is equal to A, that is a root 3 upon 2, B 2 upon root 3, C 1 upon root 3, and D root 3. Now 1 plus tan square theta upon 2 tan theta, that is equals to 1 upon 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, that is equals to 1 upon. Now there is one more formula that we have learned in the trigonometry, that is sine of 2 times theta is equals to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now these are the formulas, important formulas that you have to learn it number of the times. That is 1 upon sine of 2 times theta, the value of angle is 60, which is 120, and it can be written as sine of 90 plus 30 is a cos 30, and the value of cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Therefore the answer is 2 upon root 3. Now next is, if sec theta is equals to n, tan theta is equals to n, then 1 upon n in bracket curly bracket m plus n plus 1 upon m plus n is equal to, that is 2. A is 2, B is mn, and C is a 2m, D is a 2n. That is 1 upon m m plus n, 1 upon m plus n that is 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta plus 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta, that is equals to 1 upon sec theta in bracket sec theta plus tan theta whole bracket square plus 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta, and that is 1 upon sec theta in bracket sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 times sec theta into tan theta plus 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta. This is very simple. If you think that the speed is high, then you can minimize the speed by on the laptop or the computer and also on the mobile handset. But when you reduce the speed, you minimize my sum because it will not in good tuning. That's why you can write it easily. Now we will simplify this 1 upon sec theta, sec square theta plus sec square theta and 2 sec theta into tan theta, that is you will get 1 upon sec theta plus 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta, bracket complete, 1 upon, that is, we will take the 2 sec theta as a common, 2 sec theta upon sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. Now these two terms get cancelled. Numerator denominator has a sec theta plus tan theta. Next is 6. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to 5 by 2, then the value of tan theta is 14 upon 25, B 20 upon 21, C 21 upon 20 and D 15 upon 16. Next is cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to 5 upon 2, that is 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta means what? 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta is equals to 5 by 2. Now we will simplify this. 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta is equals to 5 by 2. 1 plus cos theta means what? 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta means what? 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. Now these two get cancelled. You will get cos of theta by 2 upon sin of theta by 2 is equals to 5 by 2. Therefore cot of theta by 2 is equals to 5 by 2, and that's why you will get tan of theta by 2 is equals to 2 by 5. Therefore tan of theta is equals to 2 times tan of theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta. Tan theta means what? Theta by 2 plus theta by 2, and that's why we have written that is a 2 times tan of theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. These formulas we have learned in exercise, all the exercise. Now substitute the value and simplify this calculation. You will get the answer, that is a 20 upon 21. That is 20 upon 21, B answer. Now next is the seventh one. 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta minus sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta equals to, first is 0, B, 1, C sin theta and D cos. Now 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta minus sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Now we'll simplify here. 1 minus, what is the sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Now here we are making the cross multiplication for the last two terms. That is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. There must be the sin theta. I had not written it. Now we'll write it. That is 1 minus cos square theta is written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. And now next is 1 minus cos square theta minus sin square theta upon sin theta in bracket 1 minus cos theta. That is equals to, these two terms get cancelled, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus in bracket 1 minus cos theta plus 1 minus in bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta in bracket 1 minus cos theta. And that's why you will get 1 minus 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus 1 upon sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Numerator is becomes 0 and you will get only the cos theta, and hence the answer is cos theta. Therefore D option is correct one. Next is, if cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to Q, then the value of cot theta is 2Q upon 1 plus Q square, 2Q upon 1 minus Q square, C 1 minus Q square upon 2Q, and D 1 plus Q square upon 2Q. Therefore, cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to now Q. Now cosec means what? 1 upon sin, and cot means what? Cos upon sin theta, and that is equals to Q. Now simplify this. The base are same, therefore 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta, and that is equals to Q. And again one more formula. 1 minus cos theta means what? 2 sin square theta by 2. And sin theta means what? 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is equals to Q. 2 get cancelled. You will get sin theta by 2 into upon cos theta by 2 is equals to Q. And that is equals to tan of theta by 2 is equals to Q. Now see this, tan theta means what? Tan of theta by 2 plus theta by 2. And now expansion of the tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B means what? Tan of A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now in this case you are getting 2 tan of theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. That is, the tan theta is equals to 2q upon 1 minus q square. But what is the cot theta? It's a reciprocal. That is, the cot theta is equals to 1 minus q square upon 2q. Next is the cotangent of angles pi by 3, pi by 4 and pi by 6 are in first AP, GP and HP. And last is not in progression. That is the cot of pi by 3. Its value is 1 upon root 3. Cot of pi by 4 is 1. And cot of pi by 6, that is equals to root 3. Now see these terms, 1 upon root 3, 1 root 3. Now take their ratios. That is, T1 is equals to 1 upon root 3, T2 is equals to 1, T3 is equals to root 3, T2 upon T1 is equals to 1 upon root 3, that is equals to root 3. T3 upon T2 is equals to root 3 upon 1, that is equals to root 3. I had written there is a T1, but there must be the T2, T3 upon T2, that is equals to root 3. The ratio is constant, therefore it is in GP. The value of tan of 1 degree, tan of 2 degree and tan of 3 degree up to tan of 89 means all these terms are the odd numbers. Then what is its value? Its value is minus 1, 1, pi by 2 and the d is 2. Now we'll see this. Very important, very nice question. That is a tan of 1 into tan of 2 degree, tan of 3 degree up to the tan 45, tan of 44, 45, tan of 46 and in this way up to the tan of 89. That is, before that 89 we will write 87, 88, 89. Now there is one more important, that is the tan of 1 and tan of 89. Tan of 2 and tan of 88, tan of 3 and tan of 87, tan of 44 and tan of 46. Now tan of 1 into tan of 89, the value is 1. Tan of 2 and tan of 88 is again 1. Tan 3 and tan 87 is again 1. And in this way we get all these values. The right hand side of the tan 45 and the left hand side of the tan 45. We can make their pairs and value of all these terms is 1. And next is tan of 45 is 1. Therefore, now see this, all these values. Now again I am writing in again elaborate form. That is, if we see this cot of 44, all these terms to the right hand side of the tan of 45 are in the form of the cot. That is, the tan of 87 means what? Cot of 3. Tan of 88 means what? Cot of 2. And there is one more formula, that is, this is formula, cot theta is equals to tan of 90 minus theta. And tan of theta is equals to cot of 90 minus theta. Here we are applying the formula tan of theta is equals to cot of 90 minus theta, and the right hand side of the tan of 45 all is converted in the form of the cot. Now tan of 1 and cot of 1 get cancelled and the value is 1. Tan of 2 and cot of 2 get cancelled and value is 1. And in this way, the last remaining term is tan 45. 1 into 1 into, and tan 45 is 1, and overall the answer is 1. Now next, second part. Answer the following. Find the trigonometric functions of functions of 90 degree. Now this is the angle is 90. This is the quadrantial angles, that is a 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Now this my point is lies on the positive y-axis. Therefore the point P is a 0 y. Here y is equals to r, x is equals to 0. To remember actual trigonometry, you must know this type of the figure. Now sin 90 means what? The definition of the sin theta is y upon r, and y is equals to r, that is r upon r. Now these are the values. Tan of 90 is y upon x, the value of x is 0 and it is not defined. Cosec 90 is r upon y, that is 1. Sec 90 is r upon 0, which is not defined. Cot of 90. Now next angle is 120. Now it goes in second quadrant, and in second quadrant only sign is positive. Now the last values was very fast. You can slow down your speed of your mobile, laptop or the tablet and see this. Correct answer. Sine of 120 is written as pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Pi by 6 means what? 30 degree. And whenever there is a pi by 2 angle, the function changes. Sin theta becomes cos of pi by 6. Therefore, what is the value of the cos of pi by 6? It's root 3 upon 2. Therefore, cosec 120 is 2 upon root 3. Cos of 120 is equals to cos of pi by 2 plus pi by 6. That is a minus sine of pi by 6, and that is minus 1 upon 2. Sec of 120 is equals to minus 2. Tan of 120 is equals to tan of pi by 2 plus pi by 6. That is equals to minus cot of pi by 6, and that is equals to minus root 3. Therefore, cot of 120 is equals to, it's a reciprocal, that is a minus 1 upon root 3. 225. Now, it is in the third quadrant, that is 180 plus 45. And in the third quadrant, only tan is positive and remaining all the trigonometric ratios are negative. Tan and cot are positive. Now see this, sine of 225 can be written as sine of 180 plus 45. And whenever there is a pi angle, the function remains as it is. That is a minus sine of 45, and sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Therefore, sine of 225 is minus 1 upon root 2. Now it's a reciprocal, that is a cosec 225 is equals to minus root 2. Next is cos of 225. That is a pi plus pi by 4, and it is a minus cos of pi by 4, that is a minus 1 upon root 2, that is a 225. And next is sec of 225, it's a reciprocal, that is a minus root 2. Tan of 225 is equals to tan of pi plus, that is 180 plus 45, that is minus tan of 45. It will be not minus because it is in the third quadrant, tan is positive, therefore it is a plus tan of 45, and tan 45 is 1, and therefore cot of 225 is also 1. Now next angle is 240. Now the angle is 240. Now this angle lies in again third quadrant, that is a 180 plus 60. Therefore sine of 240 can be written as sine of 180 plus 60, and that is equals to minus sine 60 because it is in the third quadrant. In third quadrant only tan is positive. Whenever there is a pi plus theta, the function remains as it is, and that's why it is a minus sine of 60, and sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, and therefore cosec 240 is reciprocal of sine of 240, that is a minus 2 upon root 3. Now cos of 240, that is 180 plus 60. Whenever there is a pi angle, the function remains as it is, that is a minus cos of 60, and that is equals to minus 1 upon 2. And in this way we can find out the sec of 240, that is equals to minus 2. Tan of 240 is equals to again 180 plus 60, and that is a tan 60, which is root 3. Next is cot of 240 is equals to 1 upon root 3. Now see this here, x-axis, y-axis. This is a quadrantial angle, that is it is on the y-axis, and on the y-axis x coordinate is 0, and here y coordinate is negative. Therefore its value is sine of 270 is minus 1, cosec 270 is also minus 1, but the cos of 270, that is equals to, it is 0 because the x coordinate is 0. Sec of 270 is not defined, that is 1 upon 0 means not defined. Tan of 270, that is a sine of 270 upon cos of, that is not defined. Next is a cot of 270, and that is equals to 0. Now next is 315, which is less than 360, and it lies in fourth quadrant. Sine of 315 is equals to sine of 270 plus 45 degree, and that is whenever the 270 means what, 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 4, and that is a minus cos of pi by 4, and cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, that is sine of 315 degree is a minus 1 upon root 2. Cosec 315 is minus root 2, and cos of 315, again that is the cos is positive in the fourth quadrant, therefore, but it's a pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 4, therefore function changes, it becomes sine and sine of pi by 4. Now here cos of 315 is a parent ratio, therefore we have taken it is a positive, therefore sec of 315 is root 2. Tan of 315 is written as tan of 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 4, that is a minus cot of pi by 4, and that is minus 1. And also cot of 315 degree is equals to minus 1. Now next is Now remember this. That is sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, and tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Therefore minus 120. Now see this, how I had find out all these values. This is very nice thing, you can remember this. That is sine of minus 120 is minus sine of 120. Now see this sine of 120 can be written as. Now it is in the second quadrant. That is a pi by 2 plus pi by 6 because 30 angle. 30 means what? Pi by 6. 90 plus 30. And now sine of 90 plus theta is cos theta. Therefore it is a cos of pi by 6 and cos pi by 6 is root 3 upon 2. Therefore sine of minus 120 is equals to minus root 3 upon 2. In the same way, cosec minus 120 is equals to minus 2 upon root 3. Now next value, cos of minus 120 is equals to cos absorb the negative sign. Therefore it is a cos of 120 and cos of 90 plus 30 degree. That is a pi by 2 plus 30 degree. That is a pi by 6 and it is in second quadrant. Therefore it is a minus sine of pi by 6. And what is a sine pi by 6? That is a minus 1 upon 2. Therefore sec of minus 120 is equals to minus 2. Now next is tan of minus 120 degree is equals to minus tan of 120. Now this 120 can be written as pi by 2, 90 plus 30 degree. That is a minus cot of 30 degree. That is it. This minus minus will become plus, that is a cot of 30 degree and the value of cot 30 is, now since this is in the second quadrant, again I am writing in detail. In second quadrant tan is negative and that become positive. Negative negative become positive now. Now cot of 30 is root 3 and hence the overall answer is tan of minus 120 is equals to root 3. Cot of minus 120 is equals to 1 upon root 3. Minus 150. Now we'll find out the value of minus 150. That is sine of minus 150 degrees equals to minus sine of 150. Sine of 150 means what? This is a pi by 2 plus 60. That is a 90 plus 60. That is equals to sine of pi by 2 plus pi by 3. And in second quadrant sine is positive and pi by 2 angle the function will change. Sine will become cos. That is a cos of pi by 3 and that is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore sine of 120 is sine of 150 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Cosec minus 150 is equals to minus 2. Cos of minus 150 is equals to cos of 150. Cos absorb the negative sign and it is written as cos of 90 plus 60 degree and cos will become minus sine. It is in the second quadrant. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Therefore, sec minus 150 degree is equals to minus 2 upon root 3. There is a tan of 150 is equals to minus tan of 150, and tan of 150 can be written as tan of pi by 2 plus pi by 3. That is it is in again second quadrant. That is a minus cot of pi by 3. Now here again minus become plus. That is a cot of pi by 3, and cot of pi by 3 means, I will write here value 1 upon, now see this value, that is equals to, now next is cot of minus 150 is equals to root 3. Now next is angle is 180. Now it is again anti-clockwise, since it is negative x-axis. Now see this angle. Therefore sine reflect the negative sign, that is sine of minus 180, and that is equals to 0. Now next is cosec 180, that is which absorb the negative sign, and its value is minus 1. Now cosec minus 180 is, that is a 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Now next is sec of 180, that is minus 1, tan of 180 degree, that is minus tan of 180, and that is equals to 0. Next is cot of minus 180, that is equals to not defined, minus 210 degree, sine of minus 210, sine reflect the negative sign, it is a minus sine of 210, and it is a 180 plus 30 degree, that is a minus sine of 30 degree, and sine 30 is minus will become plus, sine 30 is 1 upon 2, cosec minus 210, that is equals to 2, cos of minus 210, cos absorb the negative sign, that is a pi plus pi by 6, and that is equals to, it is in the third quadrant, and minus cos of pi by 6, and cos of pi by 6 is root 3 upon 2. Therefore cos of minus 210, this is the value. Sec of minus 210 is equals to, it's a reciprocal. Next is tan of 210 is equals to minus tan of 210, and tan of pi plus 30 degree, and that is equals to, it is in the third quadrant, and it is a positive, but in the bracket it has negative sign, therefore tan of 30, and tan of 30 is 1 upon root 3. Therefore tan of minus 210 is minus 1 upon root 3, and cot of minus 210 is equals to minus root 3. That is sine of minus 300 degree is minus sine of 300 degree minus that is a 2 pi minus 60, and whenever there is a 2 pi angle, the function remain as it is, that is a sine of 60 minus will become plus, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Sorry, it is wrongly written. It is not 1 upon 2, but it is a root 3 upon 2. I will change it. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. I will change it. Okay. Now cos of minus 300. Now cos of minus 300 means what? Cos of 300 and cos of 2 pi minus 60. 60 means pi by 3. Then you will get, and it is in the third quadrant, it is a cos of pi by 3, that is equals to 1 upon 2. And that's why sec of minus 300 is equals to again 2. Tan of minus 300 is equals to minus tan of 300, and again it is written as tan of 2 pi minus 60, and that is equals to minus tan of 60, minus in bracket minus tan of 60, that is equals to tan of 60, and tan 60 is equals to root 3. Therefore, next is cot of minus 300 degree is equals to 1 upon root 3. Now I am changing here value, that is sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, cosec is 2 upon root 3. I had changed the value. Now next, minus 330, that is sin of minus 330 is equals to minus sin of 330, that is a minus sin of 360 minus 30 degree, and that is a minus sin of minus sin 30. It is in the fourth quadrant, and minus minus become plus. Sin 30 is equals to 1 upon 2. Now next is a cosec minus 330 is equals to 2. Cos of minus 330, that is cos of 330, and it is written as cos of 2 pi minus 30 degree, 360 minus 30 degree, and again it is in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive, and that's why it is a cos of pi by 6, and value of the cos of pi by 6 is root 3 upon 2. Now next is sec of minus 330 is equals to 2 upon root 3, and tan of minus 330 is equals to tan of 330, and that is tan of 2 pi 360 minus 30 degree, that is a tan of minus tan of 2 pi, that is a tan of 30, and minus minus become plus, and minus minus will become plus. I am not writing it till there must be the plus sign. Tan of, now this is a plus 1. Okay. Now next is You can see all these values. Therefore, cot of minus 330 is equals to root 3. Now the question number 2. State the sine of cosec 250. Now see this cosec 250. Sorry, cosec 520. Now it is in the second quadrant, and cosec in the second quadrant. Therefore, in second quadrant, cosec is positive. It's a reciprocal of sine. Therefore, it is a positive. Cosec 520 is a positive. Now next is second. Cot of 1899 degree. Now see this. How many terms are we are rotating this? That is a 1899. That is 1800 plus 99. Now see this, it is a 10 pi plus 99. Now see this rotation. And we are completing plus 99. It goes in second quadrant, and therefore in second quadrant cot is negative, only sine is positive, and that's why we are writing now here 10 pi. Whenever there is an integral multiple of the pi, function remain as it is, and that's why it is a minus cot of 99. Now next is sine of 986. Now see this here, sine of 986 can be written as sine of 900 plus 86. That is 5 pi plus 86, 4 pi. Now in this way we have, it is in the third quadrant, and in third quadrant sine is negative, and sine of integral multiple of pi plus theta, the function remain as it is, and that's why it is a sine of minus sine of 86. Next is question number 3. State the quadrant in which theta lies. If tan of theta is negative and sec of theta is positive, sec is reciprocal of the cos. Cos is positive only in first and fourth. Therefore, now see this here, cos. Therefore, the angle is definitely the fourth quadrant. Quadrant must be the fourth. Now here I am writing in this manner. You see this, tan is negative in second and fourth, sec is positive in first and fourth, which is common for these two, fourth one, and that's why theta is in fourth quadrant. Next is sin theta is negative and cos theta is negative. Therefore, sin theta is negative. Therefore, it lies in third quadrant, and fourth one. Cos theta is negative. Again, it lies in second and third. Now which is common these two? That is third quadrant. Therefore answer is third quadrant. Next is third one. Sin theta positive and tan theta is negative. Now sin theta is positive in first and second. Tan theta is negative in second and fourth. Now which is common? Second quadrant is common, and that's why the answer is second quadrant. Fourth one. Which is greater? That is the sine of 1856 degree or sine of 2006 degree. That is the sine of 1856 degree, and it is a 10 times plus 56, and it is in the first quadrant. Therefore it is a positive sine of 1856. Now sine of 2006, it is x-axis and y-axis. Now in this way you will get 2006. It is written as in this manner. It is negative. Therefore sine of 1856 is greater than. Now the next question number 5. Which of the following is positive? Sine of minus 310 or sine of 310. Now sine reflect the negative sign, means sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. That is a minus sine of 310 means it goes in again fourth quadrant. Therefore it is a negative, and that's why that minus minus will become plus. 3 pi by 2 plus 40 degree. That is a minus cos of 40 degree. Minus minus will become plus. That is a sine of minus 310 is positive. What about the sine of 310? It's a negative. That is a minus cos of 40, which is negative. Now the question number 6. Show that 1 minus 2 sin theta into cos theta is greater than or equals to 0 for all theta belongs to set of real number. Now this is very again simple. 1 means cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Minus 2 sin theta into cos theta, which is positive. Now this is the perfect square of cos of theta minus sin theta bracket square and that's why cos theta minus sin theta, that is a cos of theta minus sin theta is always positive, because it is a square of any real number is positive or equals to 0. Is positive or 0, or theta belongs to set of real numbers. Now next is question number 8. If sin theta is equals to x square minus y square upon x square plus y square, then find the values of cos theta, tan theta in terms of x and y. Now see this here. This is the right angle triangle ABC. X square minus y square upon, this is the opposite side, upon hypotenuse. AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square. AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Therefore, AB square is equals to AC square minus BC square. And we can expand this. You will get the values. That is a 4x square y square. AB square is equals to 4x square y square, and that's why AB is equals to 2xy. Cos theta is equals to AB upon AC, that is a 2xy upon x square plus y square. Tan theta is equals to x square minus y square upon 2xy. In this way, we have completed the miscellaneous exercise first part. Now we'll see in the next part through that type of the questions. I hope that you have understood all the examples, whatever that I had explained. And if you like it, then like it and share it with your new friends. And if you are new for this channel, then subscribe it if you like this work. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.